Welcome to Top Tips from Ask Academy on Duolingo. Here are some helpful tips on describing images so you can get maximum score in Duolingo. Describing image item. An image appears on the screen. Describe the image in detail. Your speaking skill is assessed and you will be given 90 seconds to record. On the screen, you will see an image. You will be given 90 seconds to describe the picture, speaking aloud into the microphone. What is testing? Speaking skills, phonetics, and prosody. You are only able to record your response once. Describe image, write sentences. An image appears on the screen. Write one or more sentences that describes the image. Your writing skill is being assessed and you will be given only 1 minute to write. You will be asked to write few sentences regarding the image given. You will be given 1 minute to write about the image, what they are analyzing. If you are able to capture what is given in the image and write it down in a correct sentence. Strategies on how to answer describe the image. The keywords are the immediate things that you notice in the image. As you look at the image, immediately look for the keywords. After looking at the things, what is in the front, background, prominent things, day or night, rainy, location, beach, traffic and others, make your sentences. Start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Make at least 2 to 3 sentences and avoid making simple sentences. Start with a prepared opener. It is very beautiful image about. It is very clear information from given photo regarding. The photo shows. The image mentions information regarding. The photo describes information. This kind of phrases can help you to pick up fast and it would save your time. Moreover, you can create sentence with the help of right judgment, different prediction or make a guess. You can focus on the different points to generate ideas such as subject, identity, number, type description, color and mood. How would you start? Imagine that you want to describe it to someone who cannot say it. Where would you start? The best way to start description is to start with giving a general description of what you can see in the picture. Speak about the most prominent thing in the first point, while support the idea by adding appropriate details and implications in the second and third points. Speak your answer in a structured way. It's tricky to prepare for the Duolingo exam as it measures everything from how natural your intonation is to your ability to accurately describe a photo you have never seen before. However, there are a few things you can do to ensure you are ready to take it. Firstly, starting the sentences and showing the locations. You can give more details followed by providing speculating evidences. In this way, your answer will be more organized and you will not miss any detail. How to start the introduction of the image. Begin by stating the main idea, for example, the scene that is depicted in one sentence or two. The given photo shows or depicts. In the foreground, there are, as can be seen, it's a black and white or color photo. In the picture, I can see. Instead of saying the image shows, there are some of the words or phrases you can use to describe the image. Such as, you can start your sentence with the given, the provided, the presented, the supplied, the shown. Same, you can replace the word image with picture, photo or illustration. And the same way you can change your verbs as well. You can use shows, represents, depicts, illustrates, presents, provides, reveals, or demonstrates. By doing so, you can show off your lexical resources, and that will help you to score better. Finally, summarize the general contents. Summarize the main idea in 1 or 2 sentences. In this photo, I can see 3 girls are playing, probably in a picnic area. As can be seen, there are 3 cute girls who are sitting on a picnic blanket. The given picture depicts some girls having fun together. So these are some of the examples that you could use and increase your typing speed as well by practicing frequently.